What is your name and what do you do for a living?
My name is Marvin, and I'm a welder slash fitter in the marine industry.
What area of welding are you in and how did you get there?
Structural and pipe. I went to school, and then I got out of school and became a helper, and then I just practiced welding on the job.
That's cool. What's one thing you'd tell high school students to do if they're wanting a career in welding?
Only pursue welding if you enjoy working.
Every day in the workforce.
Pinch points and objects falling and objects in your eye.
And how do you stay safe from them?
PPE.
And what is your PPE?
Safety glasses, hard hat, leathers, boots, ear protection.
What would you say the best and worst part of your job is?
Working hard and being proud of what you completed, but sometimes it's just miserable.
It's becoming increasingly popular to use machines at home to weld. What's one thing you would tell them to be successful?
It's okay to mess it up when you're learning.
Thank you.